In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a free Google account to Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by understanding why you would connect your Google account to Make.com. Make.com is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect apps and automate workflows, saving you a lot of time and energy. By linking your Google account, you can easily manage your Google services like Google Drive, Sheets, and Gmail right from the Make.com platform. So the first step is to log in to your Make.com account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by going to their website and signing up. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've logged into your Make.com account, look for the Create a New Scenario button. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on this button will take you to a blank canvas where you can start building your automated workflows. Now, to connect your Google account, you'll need to add a Google service into the scenario. You can do this by clicking on the big plus icon on the canvas. A search bar will pop up, and here is where you can start typing Google. You should see a list of Google services appear, like Google Sheets, Gmail, or Google Drive. Choose one that fits your needs. For instance, if you want to automatically send emails through Gmail, select that. After you've added a Google service, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. A small window will pop up asking for your Google account credentials. This is where you'll enter your email address that you wish to connect. After inputting your email, hit Next. Then you'll be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. The next important step is granting permissions. Once you log in, Google will ask you to allow Make.com access to your account. This is essential because without granting these permissions, Make.com won't be able to access and interact with your Google services. Take a moment to review what Make.com is asking for permission to access. And if you're comfortable, click the Allow button. Now that you've successfully connected your Google account, you'll notice that the service is now displayed in your scenario. You can configure it based on your requirements. For example, if you're using Gmail, you can set it up to automatically send an email whenever a certain trigger occurs, such as when a new row is added to a Google Sheet. Once you're done setting this up, it's essential to test your scenario to ensure everything works as expected. Click the Run Once button to initiate the test. Make.com will run through the scenario, and you can check to see if the intended actions are completed. If everything works correctly, you're all set. Just remember to save your scenario before you exit, so you don't lose any of your progress. And there you have it. Now you know how to connect your free Google account to Make.com. This integration can help streamline your work and enhance your productivity. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful tips like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.